Feeling the need to level up in 2024? Well, here's a lineup of 5 powerful tools that are set to supercharge your tech skills. We're talking coding, data analysis, and everything in between. So strap in and prepare to power up. Taking the first spot is Python, the programming language that's friendly to beginners but powerful enough for the pros. With its clean syntax and immense libraries, Python is your secret weapon for web development, data science, automation, and even machine learning. Whether you're crafting a website or crunching complex data sets, Python is your ally. And the best part, there's a wealth of online courses and tutorials ready to guide your Python journey. Moving on to tool number 2, Git, a version control system that's indispensable for anyone looking to collaborate on code or any project. Git is your personal time machine. It tracks changes, enables collaboration, and allows you to revert to previous versions if things go south. Mastering Git means streamlining your workflow and making teamwork a dream. And with a plethora of online resources available, learning Git is a cinch. Tool number 3 takes us to the clouds. Cloud computing platforms, to be precise. In 2024, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform reign supreme. These platforms grant on-demand access to resources like storage, servers, and databases. Grasp the basics of cloud computing and you'll unlock a world of potential. Deploy applications, store data, construct intricate systems, all without the need for physical infrastructure. And don't worry, each platform comes with its own set of tutorials and certifications. Coming in at number 4 are data analysis tools. In a world awash with data, these tools are your compass. Tableau, Power BI, and Excel are just a few tools that can transform you into a data wizard. With them, you can visualize and analyze data, unveiling hidden patterns and trends. As data storytelling skills become ever more sought after, mastering these tools will give you a competitive edge. And guess what? Most of these platforms offer free trials or introductory courses. Finally, we reach tool number 5, cybersecurity tools. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. That's why it's crucial to arm yourself with cybersecurity knowledge. Numerous online courses and certifications are available, teaching you about ethical hacking, penetration testing, and network security. Understanding these threats means you can build stronger defenses and safeguard your online presence. To wrap up, these are the 5 powerful tools that are set to transform your tech skills in 2024. By investing time in these resources, you'll be on your way to becoming a well-rounded tech professional. Remember, the tech landscape is always evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and eagerly anticipate the thrilling opportunities that await.